Drill grinder IBS-A is a cordless, professional drill grinder from Proxxon. It is powered by a 10.8V lithium-ion battery and has a variable speed control of 7,000 to 23,000 RPM. It can be used for a variety of tasks, including drilling, milling, grinding, polishing, cleaning, cutting, engraving, and signing. A double-row ball-bearing spindle for smooth operation and long life. A precision ground steel shaft for high concentric accuracy. 6 triple-slit micromott steel collets for accepting a wide range of bits and cutters. A 20mm micromott collar for use in drill and horizontal stands. Metabo The Tank trademark is a line of air compressors designed for professional use. They are known for their high-pressure, lightweight design and portability. The different models in the Tank trademark line are: the Tank trademark 6-gallon pancake air compressor. This is the lightest model in the line, weighing only 41 pounds. It has a maximum pressure of 200 psi and a cubic feet per minute rating of 4 at 90 psi. It can be used to run a variety of pneumatic tools, including framing nailers, roofing nailers, and siding nailers. Raizi EasiSeam is a heavy-duty seam setter that is used to join and level large pieces of granite, marble, stone, large format porcelain tiles, and glass. It is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of applications. The Raizi EasiSeam is easy to use. It attaches to the Grabo Pro Lifter 20 or Nemo Grabo, which creates a powerful vacuum that holds the material in place. The EasiSeam has a ratchet mechanism that allows you to adjust the pressure of the vacuum, ensuring a secure fit. It also has 4 adjustable knots that allow you to fine-tune the alignment of the material. The Raizi EasiSeam is made of durable aluminum, making it lightweight and easy to transport. It is also weatherproof, so it can be used indoors or outdoors. NKT Fasteners, SE is a Danish company that manufactures and distributes screws, nuts, and other fasteners. The company was founded in 1899 and is now the most popular screw manufacturer in Denmark. NKT Fasteners also has a presence in other Scandinavian countries, as well as in Germany, Poland, and the United Kingdom. The company's products are used in a variety of industries, including construction, manufacturing, and transportation. NKT Fasteners is committed to quality and safety, and all of its products are manufactured to meet the highest standards. Wood screws, metal screws, drywall screws, lag screws, and more. Nordic Pocket Saw. It is a hand-powered chainsaw that is designed for outdoor activities. It is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry and store. The saw has a heat-treated high-carbon steel chain with 33 bidirectional teeth, which provides a smooth and fast cutting action. It can be used to cut wood, branches, and even small trees. The Nordic Pocket Saw is available in 2 versions, the premium version and the fold version. The premium version is longer and has a longer chain, making it suitable for cutting thicker materials. The fold version is shorter and has a shorter chain, making it more compact and portable. An everlasting flint match is a type of fire starter that uses a flint and steel to create a spark, which is then used to ignite a flammable material. The match is made of a durable material, such as metal or plastic, and is often attached to a keychain or other piece of jewelry for easy carrying. Everlasting flint matches are a popular choice for camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities. They are also used by emergency personnel and survivalists. To use an everlasting flint match, simply strike the flint against the steel striker. This will create a spark, which can then be used to ignite the flammable material. Everlasting flint matches are a durable and reliable way to start a fire. They are also waterproof and can be used in wet conditions. However, they do require some practice to use effectively. Proxxon Cordless Tube Belt Sander is a small, lightweight, and portable tool that is perfect for sanding in tight spaces. It is powered by a 10.8V lithium-ion battery and has a continuously variable speed control for precise sanding. The head can be angled up to 60 degrees for sanding in awkward areas, and there is a dust extraction port for connecting to a vacuum cleaner. The ideal for sanding pipes, tubes, rods, and other small objects. It can also be used for sanding wood, plastic, metal, and other materials. The kit comes with 4 sanding belts, 2 each of 80 grit and 180 grit, and 2 satin finishing belts. Makita Rechargeable Wall Scanner DWD181. The Makita Rechargeable Wall Scanner Powered 181 is a cordless wall scanner that can detect a variety of embedded objects in multiple types of base materials, such as metal, wood, plastic, and shielded electrical wire up to 7 inches deep. It has 4 scanning modes: dry concrete, wet concrete, wood, and drywall. The multi-detection mode allows for scanning in up to 3 parallel surface positions. This helps detect objects running diagonally. The rechargeable wall scanner Powered 181 is powered by an 18 volts LXT lithium-ion battery and has a dust and drip-proof IP54 rating. It features a large 4.1-inch color display that shows the object position, depth, and more. The scanner also has a laser guide that indicates the vertical center of the sensor and the axis of the scan direction. Hyde Tools Folding Painter's tools are a multifunctional tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, including: the tool has 2 stainless steel blades, one flat and one curved, and a pointed end. The blades are rust-resistant and can be easily replaced. The handle is made of durable nylon and folds away to reduce the risk of stabbing or damage. The Hyde Tools Folding Painter's tool is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks. It is a great choice for homeowners and professional painters alike. The blades can be sharp, so care should be taken when using the tool. The tool is not as heavy-duty as some other multi-tools. Distar RM-TX is a diamond core drill bit designed for high-speed drilling of complex materials in dry mode. It is made of diamond segments with oriented diamond and has a turbo shape of the segment and the productive bond, which ensure efficient high-speed drilling. The RM-TX drill bit is available in outer diameters of 42 to 152 mm with a length of 300 mm and 450 mm and with a shank of 1 1/4 UNC. It is suitable for drilling concrete, brick, stone, and other hard materials. High-speed drilling. Efficient drilling of complex materials. Turbo shape of the segments. The Loggerhead Tools Bionic Wrench is a patented hybrid of an adjustable wrench with the ease of use of a pair of pliers. It is designed to be more versatile and easier to use than a traditional adjustable wrench, and it can be used to tighten or loosen bolts and nuts of all sizes. The Bionic Wrench has a number of features that make it unique, including a patented bionic grip that surrounds the bolt or nut to distribute forces evenly, providing 10 to 30 times more gripping power than a traditional adjustable wrench. Serrated jaws that grip tightly and won't slip, even on slippery surfaces. A one-handed adjustment mechanism that allows you to quickly and easily change the size of the wrench. A comfortable, ergonomic grip that reduces hand fatigue. The Nemo Reciprocating Saw is a submersible reciprocating saw that is designed for use underwater by commercial divers. It is the world's first submersible reciprocating saw and is engineered to provide the same level of performance at 50 meters, 164 feet, underwater as it does on land. The saw is powered by a 6-Li-ion battery and features a variable speed trigger. It can cut through a variety of materials, including wood, metal, plastic, and fiberglass. The saw also has a keyless blade clamp that allows you to change blades easily underwater. The Nemo Reciprocating Saw is a valuable tool for commercial divers who need to cut underwater. It is also a good choice for underwater hobbyists and researchers. The Fusion drill-powered cultivator is a gardening tool that attaches to any cordless drill to create a powerful and lightweight tilling option. It is made of high-density plastic and machined aluminum, and it has 4 robust steel tines that slice through soil with ease. The cultivator also has an oversized adjustable handle that allows the user to comfortably position it, and the included side support bars add more control when using the cultivator in hard soil or next to delicate plants. The Fusion drill-powered cultivator is a great option for small gardens, raised bed gardens, and other areas where a traditional rototiller is not practical. It is also a good choice for people who want to save time and effort when tilling their soil. Tolsen Drywall Sander 5 is a powerful and versatile tool that can be used for a variety of drywall sanding tasks. It has a motor that provides plenty of power for even the toughest jobs, and it features a 5-speed variable speed control so you can adjust the speed to the task at hand. The sander also has a dust collection system that helps to keep your work area clean. Overall, the Tolsen Drywall Sander 5 is a good option for homeowners and professionals who need a powerful and versatile drywall sander. It is not the cheapest option on the market, but it is a good value for the price. This is the best overall drywall sander on the market. It has a powerful motor, a dual head designed for faster sanding, and a dust collection system that keeps your work area clean. A Sali drill plate cutter is a tool used to cut drill plates. Drill plates are used to protect the surface of a workpiece when drilling holes. The Sali drill plate cutter has a carbide-tipped blade that cuts through the drill plate material. The cutter is mounted in a drill press or other rotary tool. To use a Sali drill plate cutter, first select the correct size cutter for the drill plate material. Then, mount the cutter in the drill press or other rotary tool. Next, align the cutter with the drill plate and start the tool. Slowly feed the cutter into the drill plate until the desired depth is reached. Montolit Flashline 3 is a manual tile cutter designed for cutting large format porcelain slabs up to 340 centimeters, 134 inches long and 1 centimeter thick. It features a patented 3WD revolution cutting head with 3 titanium wheels that can be selected according to the material being cut. The wheels are contained in a rotating head that allows for smooth, precise cuts without chipping or cracking the tile. The Flashline 3 also features a non-slip anchoring system that prevents the cutter from moving during use, a quick elastic coupling for easy assembly, and an infinitely extendable modular rail system that can be adjusted to accommodate any cutting length. The cutter weighs only 8 kilograms, 17.6 pounds, making it easy to transport and maneuver.